do you got to know? What do they got to say? Niggas don't know how to switch up their style, but you know what I do when I'm going psycho. But they gotta know who the motherfucking main guy is on the instrumental. This is my sickest instrumental. This is what I do when I'm getting on the beat every day. Gotta treat it like my kid. Don't you know you never heard it, never beat it, but you gotta know you gotta sustain it. But you gotta know it's like tainted love, but you gotta know there's a dove looking in over you, just like an angel from above. But you gotta know when you gotta go through so much shit in life. But you know what I do when I'm killing all the rest. I'm the test, but I gotta be the best. That's just how it is when you really wanna know what I do when I gotta be killing them all every day. Gotta ball like LeBron James, doing dunks, shooting threes. That's what I gotta say. That's what you gotta know how to like right now. So here we go with the fast mother flow. Every day, they really want to be able to know what I gotta do, and they really want to be able to know when I gotta be able to get even mine, but they gotta be able to know when I gotta be able to go insane. But they gotta be able to know when I gotta be able to be psycho. That's my new name. But you gotta be able to know when you gotta be able to be so lame. So get the fuck out my Hall of Fame. Niggas don't know what the they do when they really want to be able to know it's like this. I got the blue hat on. I'm a GD to the fullest. I put up the folks, and that's what it is, folks. And that's how we do it every day. But you gotta know what we gotta do, and we gotta be able to stay up on this freestyle. The flow was. That's what you do when they really want to be able to know when I gotta be able to kill them all. But let me go ahead and take it down a notch. Then you know what I do when I gotta be able to speak out my mind. But you gotta be able to put every pronunciation in. But you gotta know when I gotta function well. When you gotta be able to know it's a malfunction. But you gotta know when you gotta be able to hold on to that one you love. But that's just what it is, what it is. When that girl leaves you, that's just for another guy, those tears. But you gotta know when I gotta be able to fear that my heart's gonna get hurt again. But you gotta know that I don't care because it's just the way of life. That's third life. Take your own life. That's what you do. You live your own life. But you gotta be able to know when you gotta be able to treat it right every time. You really wanna be able to know what they gotta do when they really wanna be able to know when I gotta be able to go insane every time. They really wanna be able to know they gotta be able to hear my chorus. Look in my eyes, you might be able to see the shit that I go through, what I'm trying to be. They say you live once, so I live life free. Feel the same way, sing along with me. Like Y-O-L-O. If you look into my eyes, you might be able to see the shit that I go through, what I'm trying to be every day. But they gotta say, hey, this is what I gotta do when they really wanna be able to kill them all. But they gotta be able to know when I ball, when I gotta be able to know I'm walking tall. But they gotta be able to know I gotta be able to take the last stand. But they gotta be able to know when I gotta be able to learn everything that they really wanna be able to know what I gotta do when they really wanna be able to know when I'm killing it all. But they gotta be able to know when I gotta be able to stop. Say, hey, pop it off. But you gotta be able to know when I gotta be able to go a cappella too. And that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to show y'all what it is for men to do what they want. But they gotta really wanna be able to know what they gotta do when they really wanna be able to see my mouth going insane. But they gotta be able to know it's going so quick. But they gotta be able to know when they gotta be able to go ahead and say, hey, folks up every day. But you gotta know you put this shit on your heart. That's why I got out the game. Gotta do one last thing. But you know that's what I do. But I still represent blue, and that's the clue. That's what I do. I'm still down with the OGs, but I'm a double OG, and that's what I do. I feel free.